Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Talk and Type tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write but may function a little differently. The Talk and Type tool is useful for dictating your words into typed text. If you or your students prefer to speak rather than typing, this is a great tool to capture their words in a visual written format. The Talk and Type tool can be used on Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs and slides, as well as websites where you can insert your own text or comment, such as YouTube. You may need to allow the web page to have access to your microphone in order to type out what you are saying. On the Read&Write toolbar, the Talk and Type tool is the headset icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words Talk and Type appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the Talk and Type feature, click on the Talk and Type icon. You will see it say Speak. Talk and Type is now listening. Anytime you want to stop, click on the Talk and Type icon again and it will stop listening. In the Read&Write settings, under the Talk and Type tab, you can choose whether to use Google Voice Typing or use Talk and Type when using this feature. It does say Google Docs, but as I said before, you can use Talk and Type on other software. So that is the Talk and Type feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.